Hello friends, I am Himanshu and in this video we are going to get the solution which I have given you in the third video I guess. So the first task was to get to the position of hyphen, which you have done pretty sure, but if you have not, then watch this. So I have typed find text. What I am looking for? I am looking for hyphen, so that has to be in quotation, comma. Within text, where I am looking for this hyphen position, it is in this text. So bracket close, enter. You will get to the position of hyphen, which is 14. So this means starting from R as 1, A as 2, M as 3, space is 4, hyphen is in 14th number position. Drag it and we will have the answer in every instance. Now city starting like Noida N, Chandigarh C, Rampur R. So again I am going to apply find text. Here I can't give city directly because this is different in each and every sentence. So I need to find something similar in every sentence, and that is in. You may see here in is similar in each and every sentence. So what I'm looking for in, comma, within text. Where I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this in cell A2, and the last parameter is starting number, so we are not giving here. Bracket close. However, we have not get to the position of city, we have get to the position of n, so which is after n means after I, because we get to the position of I. So n is 1, space is 2, n is 3, so we will give plus 3. So that's the position of city starting. Now name characters, like Ram is of 3 characters, Shyam is of 5 characters. Here also there is one trend, that is after each and every name, the one thing which is common is space. We can also consider mobile. However, right now I'm taking space, and because this is the first space in the sentence, definitely I can use this. So I'm going to apply find, and as a find text I have given space, comma, within text is this one, and we get to the position of space, but Ram and space is 1 character extra, so we are going to -1 and enter. We will have how many number of characters are there in the name. So like Ram have 3 characters, Shyam have 5 characters, and I have got the answer. In the second video probably we have some problem with the left function. When we have applied that, we have not got an exact answer what we are looking for, means individually then we need to type a function, but here with this we can solve this one. So I have start typing left as a text, this one, and number of character. I need to get this name which is of 3 characters, so rather than typing it by myself, I am referring to this cell which contains how many number of characters are there in a name. Bracket close, enter. Drag it, we will have the answer. This function works like in left, as a text I have given A2 and number of character is there in D2, which is 3. Again I have applied left in A3, means in this particular sentence number of characters in D3, which is 5. So from the left side and from this particular text we have got 5 characters, which is Shyam. This is how we have got the answer. However, we may write this function in a single go. I'm going to type a function which is left, and text is this cell, comma, number of character. So number of character, rather than selecting any cell, I'm going to type the function through which I have got this output, and that function was find, and what I am looking for, space, comma, within text. Here I'm typing the same function which I have typed here, so that I can have this output. So I'm looking for space, where in A2, and whatever is going to be the output, -1. Enter, and we will have the answer in a single go. So that is how you need to nest find with any other function in order to have your desired output. try this one, and once you are done with this, there is one task, that is you need to get the mobile number. So like 99, this is the 10 digit mobile number, and I want this mobile number in single code. You may try it in two different cell also if you wish to. So give a try, and watch the next video then. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.